Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, a crochet basics video for you guys. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and you can see all the other ones that I've done at my blog post, which is linked down below, the other stitches that I've done and ways to join your yarn and basics, crochet basic stuff for any level of crocheter to be reminded of or learn how to do. Today's video, we are going to crochet the berry stitch. So as always, if you guys like my videos, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps YouTube know that my videos are worth sharing to more of my subscribers. Subscribe if you are not already. The description box below has tons of resources for you guys. Let's jump into the crocheted berry stitch. All right, everyone, here's an overview of the berry stitch. Here are our little berries. It's kind of a version of a cluster stitch. Here it is with a slightly different yarn. It's with a variegated yarn. Kind of see what that looks like. Here it is alternating rows and then also adding an additional single crochet rows in between them. Similar to up here, here's a little sneak peek of the project I have coming out with this stitch. So if that project is out, it'll be linked in the description box, or if you're watching this in real time, stay tuned to next week for that. Big thing that I recommend with the berry stitch is to go up 2 hook sizes. So you can see, I don't know if you can see down here in this yellow sample, down here I used 1 hook size larger than the recommended. And then as I was going, I was really feeling like I needed to go up some more. It kind of flares out a little ways. Up here I used a larger hook size, and I just like how the drape is, the feel is a little bit better with the larger hook size. So experiment and see what works well for you, but go up 1 to 2 hook sizes than the label recommends. So I'm going to be using this just standard worsted weight yarn so that you guys can see everything really well. So this is just going to be a swatch to learn this stitch, but over my blog post I will have a whole list of ideas for ways that you can utilize this stitch right away. You need a foundation chain of even number of stitches. So whatever that's going to end up being, it needs to be a multiple of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, foundation chain of 18. And then in the second chain from the hook, so 1, 2, we're going to insert our hook and single crochet all the way across. I like to go under 2 strands of yarn on that foundation chain. And a single crochet is insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. And you're going to do that all the way across. Okay, here's how it's looking. Single crochet all along the bottom. Chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to single crochet in this first stitch here, which is underneath the V shape. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now here's the berry stitch. It is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. We've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. There are 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5. And then we're going to finish that off with a single crochet. Okay, and then let's do the berry stitch again, which is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop only, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, total of 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. And then finish with a single crochet. Now you'll notice the dimension is on the back side. So that's something to consider when you are doing this stitch. All right, so finish up this row, single crochet, berry, single crochet, berry, single crochet, berry, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, here's my berry stitch, and then you should be ending with a single crochet. If you are not ending with a single crochet, that means either you counted wrong on your foundation chain, or along these berries, maybe you added 2 single crochet instead of 1. All right, so we're done with that row. Chain 1, flip your work, and now you're going to repeat. So basically you're going to do a single crochet in each stitch all the way down. And you can kind of, what's helpful is if you kind of put the stitch in between your fingers, rotate it up, and then you can see all of those V's that you'll be going underneath. So single crochet all the way to the end. Okay, completed our single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work, and now if you want your piece to look like this, then you'll go ahead and do the same thing we did before, 1 single crochet berry, 1 single crochet berry, and then you'll repeat that for the entire part of your project. If you want to do something like this, where the berries are further spaced out, then you'll need to do 2 more rows of single crochet so that it's an odd number of single crochet in between each row that contains the berry stitch, because the berry forms on the back side of that stitch, so you want to make sure that all of your berries are forming on the same side. So it would be 3 single crochets, berry row, 3 rows of single crochet, berry row, or however many you would like there to be in between those berries, as long as it's an odd number. All right, happy crocheting! I hope you enjoyed learning how to crochet the berry stitch. All right, what'd you guys think? Really cute, right? And super simple, which is what I love. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the different kind of yarn variations that I used to make some samples so you guys could see the possibilities, which is so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.